Good morning, everybody, from Garner, North Carolina. A little chilly this morning. It's about 40s. I wanted to show you what I've done with my Vermibag. I gave them a little treat. I gave them some corn that I had in the freezer. There's some K-pods that they will get into, crawl into, and actually get all the rest of the coffee out of there and eat that. I also gave them some grapes. So I just want to show you what it looks like underneath one of these guys. They're tearing it up. So here's another one. They're just like going crazy. So I'll leave them be. I just added these 3 pods right here. So let's see if there's anything underneath this one. Yep, they're down there burning. Look at it. This one. Yep, they're down there. So there you have it. There's a little update. 16th of December, 2021. Hope everybody has a great day. And see you guys soon. Ciao.